He's going to put it on here.
Oh, it's defaulted, so red is the correct one. Oh no, it's dropping the red.
Oh, it doesn't like the red one, I get it. Now it's going to come back and look for the blue one. Is it?
Oh no, it's just gonna... I worked... Work this time, please.
The red is the bad ball. So it gets dumped.
Okay. The red is the bad ball and the blue is good.
Now, once it's gone up, if we run the program again, and it sees the blue ball, it will keep us. Unless that happens.
See? Both of them back.
Let's say for the test guide.
It puts it on the other pedestal though.
But it sometimes misses it. It's working this time. A second.
No! Oh well. Good enough.
Keep it up.
Works though. Did the sand try and knock over it still?
I think. Well, at least it doesn't miss the ball anymore. It needs to be slightly that way from where it's supposed to be, okay? Don't spook us.
Yay!
For the first time it's worked.